Hi guys, in this video we talk about Honor X50 GT versus Oppo Reno 11 Pro. The Honor X50 GT launched on January 2023 with the price tag of $400 and the Oppo Reno 11 Pro launched on November 2023 with the price tag of $500. The dimension is same, not much difference, and the weight of these devices. The Honor X50 GT come with 192 gram and the Oppo Reno 11 Pro come with 190 gram. The both devices come with front and back glass and plastic frame and also come with dual SIM support, nano SIM card supported. The display type: Honor X50 GT come with AMOLED 1 billion color screen and the Oppo Reno 11 Pro come with OLED 1 billion color screen. The Honor X50 GT come with 6.78 inches display. The Oppo Reno 11 Pro come with 6.74 inches display. The resolution: the Honor X50 GT come with 1220 by 2652 pixels and the Oppo Reno 11 Pro come with 1240 by 2772 pixels. The PPI density: the Honor X50 GT come with 431 PPI density and the Oppo Reno 11 Pro come with 451 PPI density. The refresh rate is same in both devices, 120Hz. The screen to body ratio: the Honor X50 GT come with 91.2% of body ratio and the Oppo Reno 11 Pro come with 90.3% of body ratio. The both devices come with Gorilla Glass protection and the both devices come with 1600 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The Honor X50 GT come with dual camera setup. The main sensor 108 megapixel wide and the second 2 megapixel depth sensor, and it records 4K 30fps video. The Oppo Reno 11 Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel, the second 32 megapixel telephoto and 8 megapixel ultra wide, and it records 4K 60fps video. The selfie camera: the Honor X50 GT come with 8 megapixel of selfie camera and Oppo Reno 11 Pro come with 32 megapixel of selfie camera. The platform: the Honor X50 GT and the Oppo Reno 11 Pro come with octa-core CPU with Cortex-X2 and the both devices come with Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 4nm chipset. And the GPU of these devices: the both devices come with Android 730. The operating system: the Honor X50 GT come with Android 13 and the Oppo Reno 11 Pro come with Android 14. The memory: the Honor X50 GT come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM. Oppo Reno 11 Pro come with 12GB of RAM. The internal storage: the Honor X50 GT come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. The Oppo Reno 11 Pro come with 256GB, 512GB of internal storage. No SD card support in both mobiles. Let's go to the camera battery setup. The Honor X50 GT come with 5800 mAh battery and the Oppo Reno 11 Pro come with 4700 mAh battery, and the Oppo Reno 11 Pro come with 80 watt fast charging and the Honor X50 GT come with 35 watt fast charging. No wireless charging in both mobiles, and it's also come with 5G network support. The common LAN feature is same, and the Honor X50 GT come with got 26 points and the Oppo Reno 11 Pro got 20 points.